You bring in the stool. That's right. What you bring in the stool to do?
Piggy!
Where you putting it? What you doing?
My.
Trust me, guys. This is worth it.
It's Maddie. Right.
There's Maddie.
Kiki.
And Aiden.
And hug him.
You can go hug Aiden?
Aiden.
You stand on the stool to hug Aiden?
Crazy.
Too heavy. You can do it. There you go.
Boom.
No, that's not open the door. You hugging Aiden?
Opening. I'm sucking. I'm sucking.
Where's Aiden?
Right here.
Right there. You give him a hug?
No.
Hug.
No. No. No, no, no.
No, no, no. Okay, we're going to make this go bye-bye.